This is a final video to fix a YuZu Android error where the video core fails to initialize so you can get back to playing your favorite games. Are you facing a frustrating crash that kicks you back to the home screen every time you try to launch a title? This problem occurs because your phone is trying to use an outdated graphics driver or shader cache that is no longer compatible with the latest app update. Most tutorials on YouTube tell you to delete your entire game library or buy a brand new flagship phone, which is way too expensive and unnecessary. Here at Rexish, we know you just want a quick solution that works on a device you already have in your hands. I have a secret easy trick that involves switching to a custom GPU driver and clearing a specific hidden folder to reset the video engine instantly. This method bypasses the initialization error and lets the software talk directly to your hardware for a much smoother experience. It fixes the graphical glitches and stops the crashes, so you can enjoy high-quality emulation without any more interruptions. Rexish makes these technical gaming fixes simple enough for anyone to follow in just a couple of minutes. Once you apply this change, your games will load perfectly and run faster than they ever did before. This trick is the best way to keep your emulator running like a dream even on older hardware. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly which custom driver to download and how to install it, just leave a comment below.